What's up traders, this is Marco. We have Tuesday the 13th of March and you can see here the ES chart, the ES future on a 2000 tick chart. So this is a live scalping price action session. You can see price action is working here, and I made a couple of drawings on the chart. I will explain this in a bit more detail, and I just want to show you and explain you. I'm looking for one trade a day, so basically I'm trading at the same time 10 accounts. So when I'm scalping out, this is multiplied by 10, and I'm going for 3 contacts. And right now I'm waiting for the first setup, and I want to explain you a bit what you can see here on the chart. You can see in general this pink uptrend here working higher. You can see prices are moving within this uptrend here, and there was a bigger range, the yellow range here, that happened earlier this morning. And you can see there are like a couple of structures within this range. There's like a shorter term downtrend here, break, new low. Then we have a shorter term uptrend, break, new high. Then there's another shorter term downtrend, and you can see prices are respecting the channel support here. So whenever prices are touching this level, there's a bounce higher. So this is how I found this pink channel here. And now you can see from this range here, there was a breakout to the top side, and I was drawing then this green uptrend channel here. There was the first break of this uptrend here, and notice this very nice support here forming up. Unfortunately, I missed this trade here because I was not looking at the chart. Sometimes it's like this when you're chatting too much, or when you're in Discord, or you're just looking on some website. Then I missed this setup here, but I must say this is a very nice setup to take along here right off the EMA. It's a triple test. But yeah, I missed it. So this is the first break. Then the highs were retested. So this shorter term uptrend channel here played out, and we had a strong push lower, but we were not touching the channel support here. And also notice there was a tiny break here. So it could be that prices are moving first leg up, pull back, second leg up, and then that we are reversing here, because this channel could be broken by here, and with 2 measured moves up, so a retest of the highs, this uptrend here could be played out already. But yeah, right now I'm playing the shorter term channels. You can see this uptrend here, this shorter term uptrend in green. It's working higher. This is the first break right now, so I would like to see a retest of the highs, and from there I will decide if there's any setup to take or not. Right now I would like to see prices pulling back to the EMA, for example. If I take this here as a break already, then a new high is in place. So right now it's not very clear what's going on. So let's see what will happen. So a short moment after that, you can see there was a break of the structure, and we pulled back here, but we were not touching the EMA, and I would like to see a touch of the EMA to consider a long here. You can see prices are flying a bit above the EMA here, so that's not an ideal setup for me to consider, because right now you would enter here far above the EMA, and you would enter directly into the highs. So I can not take this here. I really would like to see a nice bar right of the EMA to retest the highs. But yeah, prices decided to do different, and we will see what will happen next. You can see prices are going higher here, continuing higher without forming a further pullback. So right now there's not much to do. we can just wait and see what's going on. But surely you can see there was a break of the structure here, the first break and the retest of the highs, and you can see the channel resistance here where we are bouncing off right now. So if we are forming some nice bearish bar, then I could consider maybe a short back to the EMA, because right now you can still see this uptrend structure here is in play, but this shorter term uptrend here broke for the first time here, and we're retesting the highs. So right now this shorter term uptrend here played out. So yeah, we wait for a pullback to the EMA, and also like maybe a pullback to the channel support here. And don't forget, we had a break here, and this could be the second leg up. So yeah, this channel here is about to play out, and yeah, right now we just have to wait for more price action, because you can see prices still push higher here, and it doesn't make sense to take, except when we see like some very nice bearish bar. And I'm changing the setting here that you can see, for example, when I'm entering a trade, you can see how much I'm scalping. And now it's interesting, you can see here we are touching the top resistance line of the channel, and we are pulling back off it. So this channel here played out, and if this bar is forming bearish here, I'm very interested in taking a short setup here, like it's a scalp just back to the EMA, because this structure here played out by a break and a new high. We bounced off the resistance of this channel. We're getting into the trade here. I'm going for 3 contracts, and it's 6 ticks. And yeah, the profit target is at the green line here, and we will see how this will play out. Right now there's a lot of momentum coming in, because other traders, they see also this resistance of this channel here, so they see a pullback and they're entering here, and also other traders are seeing that this structure here played out by a break and new high. Yeah, and we got our scalp. As I said, I'm trading this with 10 accounts at the same time, and I scalped out for 6 ticks. So that's a bit more than $2,000 right now. And you can see we're finding some support here. I'm going only for 1 trade always. So by now I'm done. I'm reaching my target, and I marked the trade. I hope you liked it, and see you next time.